Nutty Lemon Coffee Cake recipe, a delightful treat for your taste buds. Hey, foodies! Welcome back to our channel. Today, we have an absolute treat in store for you. A scrumptious nutty lemon coffee cake recipe that will take your coffee breaks to a whole new level. The combination of zesty lemon, crunchy nuts, and moist cake is simply divine. So, let's get started and bake up this delightful creation together. Free ebook. Starbucks Liqueurs Coffee. The adult alcohol. Worth $5.99. Link to description. https://tinyurl.com. 3 Coffee Lover. Ingredients. For the cake. 1½ cups all-purpose flour. 1 teaspoon baking powder. 1/2 teaspoon baking soda. 1/4 teaspoon salt. 1/2 cup unsalted butter, softened. 1 cup granulated sugar. 2 large eggs. 1 teaspoon vanilla extract. 1/2 cup sour cream. Zest of 1 lemon. 2 tablespoons fresh lemon juice. For the nutty topping. 1/2 cup chopped walnuts or pecans. 1/4 cup brown sugar. 1 teaspoon ground cinnamon. For the lemon glaze. 1 cup powdered sugar. 2 tablespoons fresh lemon juice. 1 teaspoon lemon zest. Instructions. Preheat your oven to 350 degrees Fahrenheit, 175 degrees Celsius. Grease and flour a 9-inch round cake pan. In a medium bowl, whisk together the flour, baking powder, baking soda, and salt. Set aside. In a large mixing bowl, cream the softened butter and granulated sugar until light and fluffy. Add the eggs one at a time, beating well after each addition. Stir in the vanilla extract. Gradually add the dry flour mixture to the wet ingredients, alternating with sour cream. Begin and end with the flour mixture. Mix until just combined. Fold in the lemon zest and lemon juice, ensuring the batter is evenly flavored. For the nutty topping, combine the chopped nuts, brown sugar, and ground cinnamon in a small bowl. Pour half of the cake batter into the prepared pan, spreading it evenly. Sprinkle half of the nutty topping over the batter. Add the remaining cake batter and smooth the top. Sprinkle the remaining nutty topping over the batter. Bake in the preheated oven for 35–40 minutes or until a toothpick inserted into the center comes out clean. While the cake is baking, let's prepare the lemon glaze. In a small bowl, whisk together the powdered sugar, fresh lemon juice, and lemon zest until you get a smooth, drizzle-like consistency. Once the cake is baked, remove it from the oven and let it cool in the pan for about 10 minutes. Carefully transfer the cake to a wire rack. Drizzle the lemon glaze over the warm cake, allowing it to seep down the sides. Let the cake cool completely before slicing and serving. There you have it, folks. A nutty lemon coffee cake that is sure to impress your friends and family. The tangy lemon flavor, combined with the crunch of nuts, creates a delightful balance of taste and texture. Perfect for your morning cup of coffee or as a sweet indulgence any time of the day. Give this recipe a try, and don't forget to hit that like button if you enjoyed this video. Also, subscribe to our channel for more mouthwatering recipes. Happy baking!
Add a touch of intergalactic cheer to your morning routine with the Christmas Alien Santa Claus mug. This out-of-this-world mug features a silver background adorned with silver Christmas ornaments, making it a truly unique holiday keepsake. The holly jolly dude, himself, Santa Claus, is depicted wearing green sunglasses, adding a quirky twist to the traditional image. With its snow-white finish, this mug is the perfect way to sip your favorite holiday beverages in extraterrestrial style.